Okay, going back down. Have to check it every once in a while. For sure I've got it where it was. There really isn't a lot of slop, but as it goes down, it will line itself up. I don't think this is going to come out very good for a video, but at any rate, I decided to go camping tonight because it's going to rain the rest of the week. I have to play hockey tomorrow morning, but that doesn't start till 10 o'clock, so should work out pretty well. And it's a nice day out. Not hearing any binding. It's just nicely sliding down. Once I get to a certain point, I have to be really careful because the arms can hit the truck. The last time we put it in, it did get hung up a little bit, but I have relieved the area where it was digging in, which you can still see it's sort of binding up on the tape a little bit, but that's what the tape is for. Okay, I'll carry on. Hard to do this with a camera in my hand. Hopefully tonight I'll have some video at the campsite. Okay, I'm in McGregor Park now. Got a nice fire going. Getting ready to cook some sausages. I've got some ready-made salad. And on the barbecue, I've got some green beans warming up. And everything went really well with the camper. I've got everything I need. And inside, it's getting toasty warm. I brought a small heater. I think it's about 300 watts, but that's all this needs. In fact, I'll probably not even run it most of the night. And my porta potty fits in here. Well, it's not a porta potty, it's a portable toilet. Fits in here quite nicely, so I won't have to go to the bathroom. So, everything's working out nice. Except there's a person plugged into my post that's plugged into the wrong place. I run the cord right across the campground. Oh well, I guess they couldn't find their own post. Okay, well, I'll be up bright and early tomorrow to pack up and go play hockey. Have a good one.